Healing Meditation Words for Beginners of Meditation Chapter 12. 1. If a man holds himself dear, let him diligently watch himself. The wise man should be watchful during one of the 3 watches. 2. Let each man first establish himself in what is proper, then let him teach others. If he do this, the wise man will not suffer. 3. If a man so shapes his life as he directs others, then, subduing himself well, he might indeed subdue others, since the self is indeed difficult to subdue. 4. The self is the Lord of self. Who else could be the Lord? With self well subdued, a man finds a Lord who is difficult to obtain. 5. The evil done by oneself, born of oneself, produced by oneself, crushes the fool even as a diamond breaks a precious stone. 6. As a creeper overpowers the entwined sal tree, he whose impiety is great reduces himself to the state which his enemy wishes for him. 7. Evil deeds, deeds which are harmful to oneself, are easy to do. What is beneficial and good, that is very difficult to do. 8. The foolish man who scorns the teaching of the saintly, the noble, and the virtuous and follows false doctrine, bears fruit to his own destruction, even like the Kataka reed. 9. By oneself, indeed, is evil done. By oneself is one injured. By oneself is evil left undone. By oneself is one purified. Purity and impurity belong to oneself. No one purifies another. 10. Let no one neglect his own task for the sake of another's, however great. Let him, after he has discerned his own task, devote himself to his task.